Hey guys, welcome. Getting the multiple accounts detected error on Swiggy, it can stop you from logging in or placing orders. So let us fix it. So you need to log out of your Swiggy app completely on all devices, then go to your phone's settings, apps, Swiggy, storage, and clear cache and data. So this resets any saved session IDs, causing conflicts. After that, if you've used different numbers or emails on the same device, Swiggy may flag it. Uninstall and reinstall the app to fully refresh device association. Log back in using just one account, preferably the one with your most recent orders or wallet balance. If you're using a rooted phone, emulator, or VPN, disable them temporarily. This can trigger Swiggy's fraud detection, leading to the multiple accounts error. So if you're still getting the message, you can also try going to the chat support of Swiggy at the help section, explain the issue and request a device reset or account unlink. So that's pretty much the fix for this error and issue. Like and subscribe if this helped, and of course let me know if you need help with account recovery too.